Hey guys, we are now at the Canon booth and we have here the newest flash, the 470EX-AI. It is a automated flash, so it can automatically actually change the angle. So if you are just going to take a picture at an angle or in portrait mode instead of landscape, then it automatically moves on itself, so you don't have to orientate it yourself. However, trying it out, it's not fully that perfect. Sometimes it takes a while for sometimes to move. Does it also this side? Also, one thing that we noticed, the charge time or recharge time is quite long. It's like 3 to 4 seconds. So you need to look out for that. Personally, having tried it out right now, it's still a pre-production version that it doesn't work that well yet. But if this is like how it's supposed to work, it's not really something that I would recommend, because it's just recharged too slow, and there are many other options that are much faster with faster recharge, and moving time of this this head is slower than that I would want to move it myself. So I would say it's an interesting concept, but personally for me, I wouldn't really buy it for myself. So that was it at the Canon booth. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.